Step into the 2008 Toyota Highlander. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and much more. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.